You already create some cloud skills, but how do you know if they are following Anthropic's best practices? Here's how to check in under 2 minutes. I have an example skill called React Router Script. This skill contains specific routing patterns that this personal project uses to handle routes. To use a skill creator, we need to go to plugins, then at the marketplace, and use the GitHub repository for the public skills that Anthropic provides for user. These skills include the skill creator skill. So we copy the repository link and paste it there. Cloud Code will download the skills, and if you are curious, you will notice there are several public free skills created by Anthropic. In this video, we're going to focus on a skill creator. Next, we need to install the plugin called example skills, which contain the skills we added from the repository link. There are several ways to install plugins: project scope, local scope, or user scope. In this example, we are going to use the project scope. After installing it, you need to restart Cloud Code. Then you type skills, you will be able to see the custom skill we are going to review, as well as the skills we installed from the marketplace, including the skill creator. Now we can ask Cloud Code to use a skill creator to evaluate how well the skills were already created. If you want to reference a file, you can use the @ symbol to point to that file. We're also going to ask Cloud Code to return a table of scores. We press enter and close the window to make it bigger. Now Cloud Code verifies the skill were added against the best practices rules for writing skills using a skill creator. We can see a result table showing suggesting improvements, for example, on the where to trigger. Since the current skills don't include a trigger context, Cloud Code suggests adding that. So we type yes to generate the changes and yes again to edit the file. So as you can see, we now have a better version of our skills that follow best practices from Anthropic Skill Creator. You can read through the update version and verify whether the changes make sense for your project. But in general, it's better for AI tools to have the skills formatted in a way that match the structure Anthropic uses for its own skills. If you are curious, you can also inspect how a skill creator itself is built and what rule it used to create skills. So in this video, we saw how to review skills we had already created by asking Cloud Code to review our work based on a skill built by Anthropic. Thanks for watching.